All right, let's go take a look-see at our property. Now that creek that you see, that is Corps of Engineers land, but we own up to that, but we can't cut any of the brush or the trees down along that. But you can see I'm walking down a hill. This property had a lot of trash on it and they came and bulldozed it, so there is, I don't know if you can see all the yuck that we have to clean up. And but there's the little flag. I don't know if I'll see if I can zoom in for you. So I'm just kind of looking around. Anyway, lots of dump trucks going on today. Not sure. I mean, you can see all along on the ground all the trash leading out to where they shoved it all going on. Okay, well, we know there's deer out here because we've saw them. Lots of water come out this way, but instead of cleaning up trash, it's muddy down here. They were trying to put it all down here in this creek, and you can see this pile right here that we have a lot to clean up, and we'll take all of that and get all this trash out of here, and we'll go dispose of it properly. But all this is here. Now this, where I'm walking, is all in a floodplain as well. So, but it's down here by the creek. And it sounds like the dumpster's getting ready to go. Well, what do you know about that? And my guess is there's a lot of briars down here. Now we can get rid of some of this, but we can't get rid of all of it because it's Corps. And there's a huge fine for cutting stuff down on Corps property. But that heads into the river. We'll go over. Right now we're still on our property. There's 2.5 acres that come with this. And some old trees. And they're kind of releasing water from the dam, so the water is kind of up a little bit. All right. Okay. Here is the stake. That's 4. So on this side, and what you see, like that opening to the river, is for this other lot on the other side, which is really pretty. But we own this side, which it's still pretty, but we have more of the creek and instead of the river view. But there's nothing we can do about that right this second. So anyway, but let me slowly pan and you can see, and I'll zoom in. Sorry, getting used to the new camera. You can see all the way close. Let's see if I can zoom in anymore. That's as far as I can get, yeah. But you can see the stake far, far away. So that's the property we own. So let me back up. And that's it. I'm going to walk back up.